Hey YouTube family, I'm back at Poniente Parque Ecológico over in Yucatan doing another nature walk. So join me and I'll show you a little bit of what's out here today. Today I see it's birds galore, so if you love the feathery brethren, you're going to enjoy this video. Up on a family of ducks taking a swim, and they've got babies. They've got ducklings. I'm gonna get as close as I can without spooking them or getting into the water, but you can see they've got like a preteen duck, and then they've got some wee recently out of the egg nibblers as well. See them? Hello, mama, daddy duck. I promise I will not hurt you. Look at those cute little niblets. Aren't they adorable? Oh, they're such cute little babies. So as you can see, I don't know if you saw my last video out here, but it's been raining substantially. And because of this, this little area here, it's not flooded, but well, yeah, maybe it's a little bit flooded because before I was able to walk over to where you see that stone globe, but now that is not possible. But the ducks and all of the waterfowl are really, really loving it. Check it out, check it out, check it out. So if you're not loving the rain, chalk it up to a win for the birds because they are really enjoying this extra water. Hey, baby. Hey, sweet duck. So as I'm walking, I hear some action happening up the hill. Sounds like it may be some kind of celebration or festival. I didn't read about anything happening, but I'm gonna walk up there and see what I see. Oh, look at all the birds, little ground babies. Several little babies up in that tree there. I'm going towards the action. Not sure what the action is. Maybe it's some sports activity or something. It's a, what's today? It's a Wednesday, kind of afternoon. I think it's probably about 12 noon now. they've recently enabled a budget to have park rangers in, I think, just about every park in Merida. So the little guy that you just saw go by was one of the local park rangers. The last few times I've been here, there were no park rangers, so this is new. He's probably fairly new. And what a great spot to be assigned to. It seems to me to be pretty safe prior to his arrival. So just to be able to zip around here on a four-wheeler, looking at all the nature, I am certainly envious of him. Check out all of the iguanas, you guys. You see the iguana family there on the rock? It's almost like Iguana Pride Rock. Love them. They're not my daughter's favorite, but I absolutely love the iguanas. And it's pretty sunny out. They love to come out and bask in the sunshine. Not super, it's hot. It's hot, but it's not super hot. So I think this is probably the perfect temperature for them. I'm guessing. I would say it's probably about 87 degrees. Don't trust me on that, but that's my guess. Here's a pool that still doesn't appear to be open. It's supposed to, as you can see, open on Saturdays and Sundays, but it doesn't look like it's been cleaned in forever. I left a little message on the Merida Gobierno Facebook page to see if this was a part of the city that they'd be working on, or one of the ventures to reopen this and clean it up. I haven't gotten an answer yet, but I hope so. Selfishly, I hope so, because it's so close to where I live. All right, I'm going to pause for a bit as I continue to walk towards the action, and when I get there, I'll show you what I see. So I found the excitement, and it's an installation of a bit of new park equipment at the park. And this is actually an end of the park that I haven't been to yet. So it is not only brand new to the locals, but it's brand new to me as well in both ways. So that's the excitement that I saw. Swing over here with me, and I'm going to show you some of the workout equipment that's out here. I didn't know this was here, but I'm happy because now when I come here, I can work out as well. I know that this is at Botanica, but apparently at this location, they've got all kinds of workout equipment too. Let's find a piece. And what's neat here is it's kind of set up like a circuit. You know, so if you think about circuit workouts where you do one thing for maybe a good minute, and then you run over to the next item and do that for a minute. So it's set up where you can do this as a circuit. Everything is not very close together. Oh, it's the parallel bars where you can lift and lower yourself. Let's go to the next one. So we could do the parallel bars for a bit and then run over here. Let's run. And you guys know. And here is the main entrance to the ecological park. It's funny, I'm walking through the main entrance as I'm actually about to leave. So I found a monument honoring ecology, and I'm going to just give you a little view of this. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that stonework, that mosaic that's done here on the ground. This is just beautiful. And then there's a fountain here, right beside it. And I showed you guys a little bit of this one night where I know you could see Jack Squat. So now you can see a little bit of the neighborhood that kind of surrounds the ecological park. It's just a beautiful, beautiful space. So rich and green. Hello YouTube family. So I guess that's all from my little stroll today in the Parque Ecológico. I'll probably catch you up with some more tomorrow. So once again, be sure to tune back into the retreat.